Hello guys, that's you all know, that's realize. Welcome to in this classes. Each and every day Spoken's live class started. Its main focus to speak in English each and every person. That's you know, that's realize that English is very common and international language. Each and every student should know about English because in everywhere English is speaking and everywhere in English written every each and every. If you buy a 1 rupees toffee also on its rubber, English is written each and everywhere. कहता है कि dance you all know that why you not speaks in English and why you not speaks to know how to speak in English, how to learn English. You also now and you also writes in English because English is very common language and each and everywhere English is speaking. That's I realize some this classes just each and every day this live class is started at 5:30 p.m. each and every day. Those students who know about English and those students who remember English then quickly joins in this live sessions. I realize that all students that this class is runs by the guidance by the Nitish sirs and its members. That's the supporters of Nitish sirs is too much speak in English, then you also speaks too much in English because it is very common language. If each and every student some try to speak in English, then sometimes matters he also speaks very well. It is no doubt that you know speaks, but you try first times. In the starting time, some students also hesitates to speak in English, but I remember that persons without hesitating. First of all, you are starting to speak in very little words, common words in English language, or daily usage words to speak try to English, such as if you go to bazaar, that type of bazaar it's replaced the usage of market. That many types of words because it is your thinking dependence. If your thinking is overdeveloped to speak in English, then you already to speak in English. Your mind is developed my expressions, my view, my styles, each and every change because if you speak in English. That because English is international language or it is a standard language. Those students you tell or those person who tells that you see that person it is thinks I am smart. That's you. If you also try to speak in English, then you also thinks I am smart because I speak in English. I know English. I am so smart to other persons. So that type of one. First of all, I talk to you about how to starting point of view to speak in English. But that's I realize that it is first of all you now A to Z letters and some little words and little sentences, right sense now about such as I am it, I eat, you read, you cook food, I am going to market. That type of words you know. That persons or if uses, if you talk to friends each others, that type of words or this type you try to speak in English some little words such as today I am eat chicken. What do you eat today? That other person tell today I am eat dal bhat.
Not, what not. That's rice and pulse.
Such as it is mixing of words. That's if you not that's mixing also words. That it is no hesitates that I know about what is the meaning of dal bhat. You know, but you try to speak to mix each words without hesitating. because each and every person's not now and not very well to speak in English. Each and every some few little words now to speak in English, then in the front of you, try to speak it very well. It is not do not that person say it is too much speak in English. I know I not. It is not habited because this person also speak in English. That person now very little as comparison to grammatical. No, so many speakings, so many speakers speak wrong. If you try to, if you check the grammatical. First of all, you realize to other topics also. If you try to speak in English, then it is defected the grammaticals. If you try to speak in English only one that's if those words you try or those words you use to speak in English in the front of your person, in the front of your that person will understand your words. Only once that. If he understands and you understand, then you speak in English very well in this time because it is a starting point of view.
That he tell that what is the importance of English. You know, all in everywhere you can go that most importance of English, that you are prepared how to you take any competitive exam to take that is compulsory English. So in every place and everywhere English is most important. If you take any chocolate on the chocolate wrapper, you can see here that written in English word. So some small things have written in English. So English is most important in this life. English is very compulsory in this life, and modern India is also associated with English is compulsory. And have you any take exam in go any other place, that English is most important. So you can prepare how to speak in English, how to read in English, and how to tell about in English. That you first of all who those some little words read, that type of person he started to about that like in Hindi that is called Nibandh. That just like Mahatma Gandhi, you can tell 10 lines, learn about Mahatma Gandhi. That type of is support to how to speak in English. So you can prepare and tell speak in English. And some person also you can have to joke with you. So that person you have neglect them. Then you can comfortably to speak in English. So first of all you can't hesitate in speak in English. That type of word is wrong, that is wrong, that is sentence is wrong. So first of all you can clear out that type of wrong word I can speak. You can learn. Just you have to learn how to speak in English. So you have wrong word. You are also tell wrong words. That is not big words. So you can prepare, and most you can in this most of the time you can tell in English, how to speak in English and learn in English. Then you can comfortable to speak in English. So I have to request to all of you to how to speak in English, how to learn in English. You can prepare. Some he tells that start up small words and take big clearly sentence you can get, and you can also better English speaker want to become. And my suggestion is you will get start up small words, just like you can drink water. So that you cannot pani peanut, drink water. So this type of word you can start up. Then you can clearly speak in English.
Then you all my viewers, that's it, clear from that points, that's the starting points of the English to now, that is very quiet and very little, such as I go to nothing, I go to cooking, I go to eating, I go to everywhere. I go to markets, each and everywhere. If you go to meet some friends that you can tells, I go to meet to other persons. I go to meet everywhere. Just such as other persons also. If you go to other friends, you try to speak some lines in English in the starting point of view. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What are you doing in this time? It is very well. Where do you live? Just this is the starting points of the English. First of all, if you those students who try to speak in English, that he is first of all he tells some lines itself. It is itself how to speak itself. Each and every students now. I also suggest that sometimes because I first of all in this times I tell some lines on them. First of all, I tell my name is Ramkrishna Kumar. I live in Kamrudinpur. My school name is BP Inter High School. I study in class 10th. My aim is UPSC crack. My hobby is cricketer. My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite dress is jeans shirt. That type of words you also try to speak in English itself. Then it is if you know very well in English to speak in itself, then you try to speak some hard words such as my hobby is crack UPSC, because in India so many corruptions were expressed all over the world. So I control the corruptions. So I control the people's and thinkings. That then I becomes a crack UPSC and then control the other persons, those persons who not follow the rule of the law. That type of words you sentences you think and make itself. Or if you try to that type of word also, then you try to speak some topics such as I tell some lines on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the father of our nations. He was born in 2 October 1869. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. That type of words you also write. Mahatma Gandhi, so many works for our nation. He is the main freedom fighter of our country. His roles is very too much to
Freedom of India.
Freedom of India, such as he control, he leads many movements such as civil disobedience movements, so many movements he leads. Do or die gets spreads to the people in 1942. Some lines in speaks in Mahatma Gandhi. That type of words you also. Then you think that my English is 50% control. If you try to speak some lines in English on any topics, each and every topic, any topics, you try to speak any topics. If you try to speak in village, then first of all you try to speak. My village name is Kamrudinpur. It is very beautiful. It's all persons under the guidance by the her persons, her parents. It is each and every persons educated. In my village, one elementary school and one swimming pool. That type of words you also try to speak in English on any topics in English. Then English becomes sometimes letters. Then you also try to speak very well. Okay, sometimes I meet some students that he is talk in English and know about English, and it is very useful to ours how to some students tell in English. Then I meet some students. Then you see, first of all I meet some girls to meet that he speak to English. That's C. Take it. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. You are capable to speak own self some lines. Myself, you know.
Yeah.
Tell.
My name is Sonali Kumari. I live at Kamruddinpur. My district name is Begusrai. My favorite color is black. My favorite dress is Indian dress.
That's you also realize what's your favorite color.
My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Who is the nation of our country? Nation Mahatma Gandhi. No?
Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi.
Nation. What is our country name?
My country name is India.
India. What is your aim?
My aim is a doctor.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Dancing. Thank you.
Thank
That type of words you know that's he tried to speak in English very well. That's my viewers also speaks very well because he tried to speak in English. Don't I meet other girls also. Take it. Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Take it. What's your name?
My name is Simran.
Sivran. Which class do you read?
10th.
10th. What is your school name?
My school name is R+2 School Ramdiri.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is dancer.
Dancing. What is your aim?
My aim is Bihar Police.
Bihar Police. What is your favorite color?
My color is pink.
What is your favorite fruit?
Fruit apple.
What is your favorite flower?
Rose.
Rose. What is your favorite cooking food?
Food.
Litti chokha, some just like
बहुत से कुछ पसंद है.
many things you like, you know. Some say you tell anyways in Hindi English both are mixed. You tell such as dal bhat, rice flour. No. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. That you meet girls. He is very well speaks. I proud of that girls. He belongs to urban area, rural area. Whenever he try to speak in English very well. I wish other girls also know. That's how I realize some boys also. He try to speak very well in English. In this times he is picking the pick. Then he is later sometimes he speaks in English. First he is taking the picture in the grouping. It's her friends. He in one person's gets iPhones and other person's gets that's he realize each and every person he is a rich man. He try to speak in English very well. Once I first of all meets Radha Bhaiya. Then he meets you try he tells very well speak in English. Meet him. Take it. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. First of all, you realize. Do you like this class? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like to speak in English? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes. First of all, realize you tell introduction.
Yes.
Yes. To tell. Myself.
My name is Raja Kumar. I read in class 8. My school name is Gurukul Ashram. My
Okay. So then I ask some questions. You also try to speak in English.
yes.
No. So that's you first of all realize. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Angad Singh.
How many brothers? Have you two brothers? Okay. What is your district name?
My district name
What-
is Begusarai.
What is your village name?
My village name is Kamruddinpur.
What is your country name?
My country name is India.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gaming.
Gaming. What is your aim?
My aim is businessman.
Businessman. What is your school name?
My school name is Gurukul Ashram Mulao Begusarai.
Which type of business do you most like?
Many.
Many. Anyone choose? No.
No.
In this time. Okay. I'm proud of that because he is businessman becomes in the future. I hope you as soon as possible you to achieve your success. That's I comes other topics also. First of all, you realize that this boy belongs to village areas. Then he try to speak very well in English. That's you. What is your school name?
My school name is Gurukul Ashram
How is
Mulao
your
Begusarai.
old? Your age?
Thank you, sir.
15.
That's you finish this classes in the next time see I meet all the viewers. Thank you.